Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and today I'm here with a brand new protective case from the folks at RhinoShield, but this one isn't for a phone, this one's for Apple Watch. So what they've done here is taken their very popular CrashGuard NX bumper and made a version of it for Apple Watch. Being RhinoShield, this comes in tons of different color combos, and of course it gives you military drop test standard protection. Lots to love here. Let's look at this product in a bit more detail. First off, I have to confess that although I absolutely love my Apple Watch, it has spent most of its life in a drawer because I'm too worried to wear it. I'm worried about scratching it, worried about breaking the glass, and so as a result, I don't use it. So now with this CrashGuard NX Apple Watch case, I'm going to be able to take it out of the drawer and actually enjoy using it. The protection that it has is a military drop test standard protection, which is for a 4-foot drop, which I think is plenty for this. This is made of the shock spread material, which is what the CrashGuard NX bumper for phone cases are made from. Should provide really good protection for your watch, and it is also BPA, BPS, and BPF free, so it is safer to have on your skin. And when you think about the fact that a watch is pressed against your skin all day long, I think it's probably good for it to be such a non-toxic material. So lots to love here. This is also really easy to get on and off, and as I mentioned at the beginning, comes in tons of different colors. Putting the CrashGuard NX on your watch is really easy. First off, you need to remove the straps, so just slide those off. Then you need to take the case itself and carefully pull out the rim starting from the right side. Pull it away and out so that you can insert your watch. You want to put the watch in from the left side and then gently put it into place. Then you simply secure the watch in place with the rim. You can go with the same colored rim here, which is what I'm doing, or you can put on a different colored rim. This is one of the things which makes this product so fun. And that's it. And now I have a pink and purple Apple Watch. If I want to simply switch out the rim color, there's no need to take the straps off. That's only necessary if you are removing the entire case. So to switch the rim color out, you simply again start from the right side, reach inside and pull the rim up and away from the rest of the case, and then pull it off. And I'm going to go here with a gray color. Just insert this in place. You always start putting things on from the left and pulling them off from the right. So just insert it underneath the edges of the case. It clicks right into place. And now you have a two-toned look here. Looking at the fit of this on my Apple Watch, you can see that this adds minimal thickness. You've got lots of protection around the sides here. It's going to protect you against side impacts. You have a nice protective rim around the edges here. Nice lip allows you to have lay on the table design with this. If you lay this flat, you're not going to actually be on the screen, which is excellent. So this is great against scratching as well as impact. Overall, very nice protection. You have a nice responsive button here on the side, easy access to the digital crown. In my experience, this feels basically like just having your watch on. It doesn't feel like it's any bigger than your ordinary Apple Watch, and it's very lightweight. Fits really well, I think, in terms of style with the sport band. The material is not quite the same in terms of the feel, but in terms of the look, I think it looks very similar, and I think it looks really good. I do like this. Going here to the back, you can see that this goes all the way around here, and it does not interfere at all with the operation of your heart monitor or anything like that. Everything still works fine. You've got plenty of skin contact here. And speaking of the skin, this is BPA, BPS, and BPF free, which means as it is resting on your skin all day, you are not going to be exposed to toxic materials that can be absorbed by your skin. So that is nice. Just a nice little touch there by the folks at RhinoShield. So overall, really nice case. Everything works really well, fits really well, and I think that it adds so much peace of mind when you are using this case on your Apple Watch. You don't have to worry about it getting damaged. Although the Apple Watch case is designed to work with all of Apple's straps, you are not limited to only using the ones you get from Apple. This is going to work with a lot of third-party straps as well. Certainly has worked with all of the third-party straps that I have tried it with. And so that's going to give you a different look as well. So let's try this on with a leather strap. This time I'm going to go with a classy black RhinoShield CrashGuard NX case. Before I put this on, let's just take a closer look at the case itself. Extremely thin and lightweight, made of the same material that the CrashGuard NX phone cases are made of. This shock spread material that they have is what gives this such impressive protection. Looking on the interior, you can see we have a little bit of a honeycomb pattern on here. Overall, everything just looks and feels great with this. Relatively rigid material, but doesn't feel brittle, just feels nicely protective and lightweight. So putting this on, all you need to do is obviously remove the rim first. Pull the rim off. I'm going to put our watch in place starting from the left-hand side. Gently push it in place. And I'm going to put on a blue rim because I think that is kind of more exciting. So sliding this blue rim here into place, starting again from the left-hand side, clipping it into place all the way around. We are in good shape. Putting our third-party leather band on. This is a really nice leather band here. This is made by the folks at Arrow and Board. I reviewed this a few years back when I first got my watch. Going to slide this into place. Again, this goes on quite easily. No issues in getting the straps on and off. This is a whole nother cool look. Overall, I can honestly say that this product has given my Apple Watch a new lease on life. It's taken it out of the drawer, put it back on my wrist, and allowed me to use it comfortably and confidently without worrying that it's going to get scratched, dented, have a broken screen, etc. I think that the military drop test standard protection that the Apple Watch case provides is excellent and just very reassuring when you are wearing it. Love the fact that we have a BPA, BPS, and BPA-free material on here, so you don't have to worry about poisons leaching into your skin while you are wearing it. And just overall, this is a nice, small, lightweight, unobtrusive watch case that comes in so many colors that it just really improves your use of Apple Watch. Overall, there's just lots to love about the CrashGuard NX by RhinoShield for Apple Watch. It's a must-have product for Apple Watch, in my opinion. Again, we've been looking at the RhinoShield CrashGuard NX for Apple Watch. This product is available directly from RhinoShield and has an MSRP of $14.99 for your basic set, which includes one case and one rim. Additional rims are $2.99 each. There are a total of 11 rim colors available and 7 case colors available. This is available for all sizes of Apple Watch in Series 1, 2, 3, and 4. Many thanks to the kind folks at RhinoShield for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions about these products, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I will do my best to address them. And if you are interested in subscribing to my channel, please do consider it because I have lots more great case and accessory reviews yet to come. Again, this is Kristen with the RhinoShield CrashGuard NX for Apple Watch. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.